Okay, I bring back error again. So divide by 0 and you will see the error message. By default, if I go Tools and Options and third tab General, on the error trapping, it's set break on unhandled errors. Unhandled errors contains everything without goto or labeling for controlling. So because of that, we get handled that. But if I set break on all errors and OK and rerun the program, as you see, you will get again division by 0. And doesn't matter even if I set on error resume. Next, still you will get the error. And this is very useful for debugging before publishing or assigning this file to colleagues or the product for customers. And of course, we could use debug to control what happened, I5 and 0 and division 0, of course, which I will mention about debugging later on. So, again, if I go options and general, we have break on unhandled errors, which it is default setting, or for debugging in all mode, you could set break on all. Also, it is same on class modules, which if you're working with classes. On the compile, we have compile on demand and background compile. Background compile, it is when something happening in the background. For example, you have another form loaded, gonna work, but your active form, it is another one. Or, of course, could be module, function, etc. And compile on demand, it is calling when need. For example, I define option explicit. I define another subroutine sub AB and say s equal 5. If I run the program and note that I'm inside of my macro, if I run, you will see division by error. Of course, we don't need that. Allow me to bring back maybe 2. Okay. And there is no error for here because if I go Tools, Options, and General, it's set Compile on Demand. But if I disable that and press OK, everything first gonna compile it and then run the program. Now, if I go inside of my macro again and run the program, you will see variable not defined. So, it is ideal again for debugging mode. Tools, Options, and Generals. So I recommend you, if you want to make sure you control and cover every errors, set on break on all and disable this one. But for publishing your final, set break on handled errors and compile on demand. And OK.